So now that you've set up your brand kit, the next step that we're going to take is configuring the business profiles within your dashboard. So business profiles are essentially just adding your location data and also your data for online stores to make sure that all of your transactions, etc., are tracked properly and as they should be. So as you can see, you may already have one profile in there. If you want to tweak that because it has some auto-generated information there, you can just click on it and then you can make all of the changes that you need. So if I want to add the address, you can just search here. It's going to use the data from Google. So you can click on your address once you've found it, and then you can just hit update. You can then configure some attributes to that location. Most of the time there's no need to do that, so I'm going to skip that for now. And then you can also add a reference here if you would like to. The reference is purely for internal purposes, so you can, for now, just give it the same name as the general name, and then hit update. Once you've done that, you have the option to add an image if you would like to, but this won't be front-facing towards your customers, so you don't necessarily need to. Now, if you navigate back to profiles, you'll see that that has been tweaked. If you want to add one more, which I will show you just now, you just click add profile, and then it will give you the options of whether it's a space, on-site, web shop, department, HQ, or a POS. We're going to choose on-site for this particular one, and I'm just going to call it Lead Academy number 2 for this example, and I'm going to hit create. And now you'll see that you have the email of the person associated to that location, which you can change if you would like to, if maybe it's one of your colleagues. Again, you can give it that reference, so we can call this Lead Academy number 2. And you can add your image if needs be. We're going to hit update, and then you can see your address field here, so you can just start typing it in and then click on it to auto-populate for you and hit update. And now that we have more than one business profile, we can navigate back to the overview page, and then here you're going to see groups. So here you can see all locations, so that is exactly what it says. It's going to be both of your locations, so you can add them to different groups if you would like to. Maybe you want to do it by region or any other criteria. There will also be a group created for each individual location. And if you want to add a group to, like I said, only include maybe stores that are in Amsterdam, then you can do that. I'm going to call mine Amsterdam stores. And then it's just a matter of selecting the profiles that you want added from the drop-down. Once you've done that, you're going to hit update. And then when we navigate back, you're going to see here that I have that editable group that's already been created for me. And now we've done everything that we need to within the business profile section. So all of our transaction data and visit data and things like the push notifications, which we'll get into once we look at the wallet pass, will all be configured correctly and will send out as they're supposed to, and all of your transactions will be attributed correctly as well.